Hello students, today in chapter 11, three-dimensional geometry, our topic is shortest distance between two lines. Skew lines, two straight lines which are neither intersecting nor parallel are skew lines. Here L1 and L2 are skew lines. Now shortest distance between two lines, let L1 and L2 are two lines and Mn is a line which intersects L1 and L2 at right angles, then Mn is called shortest distance between lines L1 and L2. Here, if shortest distance between two lines is 0, then lines intersect. Let equation of first line L1 and second line L2 are vector r equal to vector a1 plus lambda vector b1 and vector r equal to vector a2 plus mu vector b2. Then shortest distance equal to modulus vector a2 minus a1 dot vector b1 cross b2 upon magnitude of vector v1 cross b2. Now distance between parallel lines. If two lines are parallel, then direction vector is same and it is vector b. Then distance between lines is vector b cross vector a2 minus vector a1 upon magnitude of vector b. Dear students, please note that distance is always positive. Now question number 1. Find the shortest distance between L1 and L2 whose equations are vector r equal to I plus j plus lambda into 2i minus j plus k and vector r equal to 2i plus j minus k plus mu into 3i minus 5j plus 2k. So students, compare the equations with vector r equal to a1 plus lambda vector b1 and vector r equal to a2 plus mu vector b2. Then find vector a2 minus a1 and this is 2i plus j minus k minus I plus j and we get vector I minus vector k. Now b1 cross b2 we can evaluate by using determinant. So b1 cross b2 equal to ijk 2 minus 1 1 and 3 minus 5 2. After expanding we get 3i minus j minus 7k. Now magnitude of b1 cross b2 vector equal to root 3 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 7 square and this we get root 59. Now find vector a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 and this is I minus k dot 3i minus j minus 7k and this equal to 1 into 3 plus 0 minus 7 into minus 1 and this equal to 10. Now shortest distance equal to modulus a2 minus a1 dot vector b1 cross b2 magnitude of b1 cross b2. Put the values and we get shortest distance equal to 10 upon root 59 units. Question number 2. Find shortest distance between the lines x plus 1 upon 7 equal to y plus 1 upon minus 6 equal to z plus 1 upon 1 and x minus 3 upon 1 equal to y minus 5 upon minus 2 equal to z minus 7 upon 1. Here first we will change equation of lines from Cartesian equation to vector form. So vector equation of L1 equal to vector r equal to a1 plus lambda vector b1 and vector a1 is minus I minus j minus k and vector b1 is 7i minus 6j plus k. So equation of first line is vector r equal to minus I minus j minus k plus lambda into 7i minus 6j plus k. Similarly, equation of second line L2 equal to vector r equal to 3i plus 5j plus 7k plus mu into I minus 2j plus k. I hope you can find easily vector a2 minus vector a1 and we get 4i plus 6j plus 8k. Then vector b1 cross vector b2 equal to, using determinant ijk 7 minus 6 1 and 1 minus 2 1, we get minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k. Now formula for shortest distance, modulus vector a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. Now vector a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2, we get minus 16 minus 36 minus 64, and it is minus 116, and magnitude of b1 cross b2 equal to root minus 4 square plus minus 6 square plus minus 8 square, and this is root 116. So shortest distance, put the values, and this equal to modulus minus 116 upon root 116, and this is root 116 equal to 2 root 29 units. Question number 3rd, find distance between the lines L1 and L2. Vector r equal to I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda into 2i plus 3j plus 6k. And second equation, vector r equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k plus mu into 2i plus 3j plus 6k. As here, equation show the given lines are parallel, so direction vector b is same here. So distance equal to vector b cross vector a2 minus a1 upon magnitude of vector b. We find vector a2 minus a1, and this is 2i plus j minus k. Now vector b cross vector a2 minus a1, and this is ijk 2 3 6 2 1 minus 1, and we get minus 9i plus 14j minus 4k. Now modulus vector b cross a2 minus a1, this is minus 9 square plus 14 square plus minus 4 square under the root, and this is root 81 plus root 196 plus 16 equal to root 293, and magnitude of vector b equal to root 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, this is 7. So distance d is root 293 upon 7 units. So students, I hope you understand to find shortest distance, and now your home assignment is to do related questions of chapter 11. Thank you.